In this video, we're going to find the length of a string. So the length is simply the number of characters in that string. So you may think there is a method for this. So you would do something like your string name dot len or length or something that makes sense. But you would actually be wrong. There is not a method you can call like this to get the length of a string. So how do you get it? You actually use this built-in len function, and I'm going to show you how. So let's take this string right here, test string. We just used it in the previous video. So if you try to look for this length function, you'll go over here. You see here the L's. You press dot and tab, and there is no length method. So the way you do it is with this len built-in function. So this is available to everyone who has Python, this len function. And you just place the string inside that function like this. And then you press Shift-Enter, and you can see that this is 32 characters in length. Okay, so this is, you might be wondering, like, why is there no method here? Why is this a function? It turns out this len function is used for many other objects, such as like lists or tuples, dictionaries, and sets, and so forth. So it's not just with strings that it's useful for. It's with anything that is a sequence in Python. And strings are simply sequences of characters. So the len function works for strings. We will see how it works with these other objects later on. But that is how you find the length of a string.